Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, Panama City Beach with MarineMax. I want to take a few moments and show you a boat that just became available, a fresh trade-in, and do I have a treat for you? This is a 2020 Avalon 27-foot Excaliber tri-tune. And folks, this boat is loaded with features. Wait till I point out a few things to you. Notice how beautiful the boat is. It is bottom painted, which is a treat down here in the saltwater environment. This boat was always dry stored, folks, in the barn. However, this trailer does come with the boat, so there's another big bonus. Let me show you one of the most awesome things about this boat. Folks, this boat is equipped with the MERCURY 450R racing motor. And I gotta tell you, you wanna be a showstopper on the water, this boat will get it. So let's climb aboard and let's point out a few other features. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2020 model Avalon 27 Excaliber, okay? I'm standing here on the rear swim platform area, if you will. Notice plenty of room to walk around, designated cooler on the back of the boat. Right here you've got lots of storage that also has your battery switches and batteries back here that you lift up. Nice 4-rung swim ladder. You walk through here, the transom through the gate area. Now look at this wet bar area, folks. It's equipped with a refrigerator right here. Yes, I said a refrigerator on this tri-tune boat. Look at here, folks. Sink, fresh water. Beautiful layout here in the seating area. Your captain's chairs. Now what's awesome about this boat, and you'll have to come see me or look at the pictures to understand, you got a Simrad GPS sonar chart plotter. You've also have a complete electronics area here that you can turn on and off everything here on the boat, as well as right here. So you got to see this in person to really appreciate it and understand it. It does come with a ski tube locker down here, storage all throughout the boat. Notice how this is a dual console, so you can close this off if you get in rain or inclement weather, or if it's a little chilly outside. And then look at this massive sports arch. Plenty of shading all the way back there to the cockpit area. The stereo system in this boat is unbelievable. You got two big old JL Audio bazooka speakers up there. As we move forward here to the front of the boat, with all that room in the back, you've got all this room in the front. Look how long this boat is. You're talking about just enjoying a day with the family and friends. Bring 2 or 3, 4 families. This boat has just everything you can offer on a tri-tune. So I encourage you to come in, take a look at it, see it in person. It would be my pleasure to show this boat to you. And the icing on the cake, this boat with that 450R racing motor is at such an accessible price. It's nearly half or less than half the price of this boat brand new. So this boat will not last long with right over 100 hours on it. So again, my name is Kenny Brown. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. I look forward to seeing you. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.